what do you have to do first?
Make them improper.
Make them improper. You got to do that first. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1,
7.
7. Keep it over 3.
Over 3.
Times. Do not let this thing scare you. You're just going to bring it down. Don't do anything with the negative. I'm just going to cover it up, and you're going to do the same pattern. 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17. And what do I keep that one over? 5. So the negative's just floating out there. It doesn't change the problem or how you solve it. Now I need again to cross, cross. I don't have anything I could cross cancel. Is this going to be a positive or negative answer?
Negative.
Negative, because of the sign. 7 times 17, 119. Over 3 times 5 is 15. You can leave it as improper. That's totally fine. Do not sit there and try to make it a mix. That would take a while. So you can leave it just like that if you need to. So that's the non-calculator portion. That's the one I think that won't be so bad. It's the packing that we got to. I'm going to put here calculator portion. If you need it. All right. I'm going to write a couple of these down first. Plus 18 all over 4x plus 24. Again, a lot of you are cheating on your homework checkup. You cannot cross these things out. You cannot cross these out. Doesn't work that nicely. Here's the first one. Okay, go ahead and write those 3 down. We'll work them together. Okay, just looking at letter A. What could I can't actually do like simple or any outie or difference of squares. I can't do any of those because they don't have squares. But I can take out a GCF. What's the common number on top?
3.
3. So if I take out a 3 out of the first term, you're left with an X. Plus if I take a 3 out of 18,
6.
6. That's going to be the first part. In the denominator, what's my common number? 4. If I take a 4 out of the first part, I'm left with an X. Plus 4 out of 24 is 6. And you go, yay. These are going to cancel. Same expression on top and bottom. So we're left with 3 over 4. Can that reduce?
No.
And that's as far as you can go. Don't do all this creative magic and cross things out and say, oh, the answer's 3/4. I know that's not how you do it. You have to factor it. So just keep that in mind. It doesn't always work so nicely like that. All right, letter B. What type of factoring do you have
Simple.
on top? Simple. So 2 sets of parentheses. X and X. What numbers multiply to 9 to give you 6?
3.
3 and
3.
3. So it's 3 and 3. And because all their signs are positive, you don't even have to think about it. All your signs are positive. In the denominator, what type? DOS, difference of squares. If you have to do your little thinking cap, and think, how would I write this? It would be x squared minus what? 3 squared. Got to write everything with a square. Cross those squares out. So we're left with x minus 3 and what else? X plus 3. We have 2 parts. Then again, we see what can we cancel. Remember, it's only one.
Only
for
one on the top.
Yeah, so this one with one of these up here. Can't do 2 of them. So on the top, I'm left with an x plus 3. And on the bottom, I'm left with x minus 3. Again, you cannot simplify that. They're not the same expression. As far as you can go. All right, letter C. How do you factor the top?
It's just
You
X
can.
is 1.
Can't.
You can't.
Stays the same.
There's no GCF, there's no squared, so I can't do anything. So it's just x minus 1. You could, but you would not succeed. How could you factor the bottom?
Difference of squares.
Difference of squares. Again, if you need to use your little thinking cap. X squared minus, how would you rewrite 1?
1 squared.
Technically 1 squared.
So
Cross
it's
off the squared, so we're left with x minus 1 and x plus 1. Gotta have both. So what do we have canceling?
Just the
X minus 1
X minus 1.
and put a
The only
placeholder.
reason I chose to do this problem is a lot of people tell me the answer is x plus 1, and it's not. What is on top?
1.
1 over
X plus 1.
If you just write x plus 1, you're not getting full credit. So you've got to be very slow when you come to a problem like that. If something cancels on the top, you still have to have a placeholder there. So remember, 1 just represents a placeholder.
But if it cancels on the bottom,
Then you don't have
then you don't have to put the placeholder.
You can if you just want to be on the safe side. I'm going to turn the page, so write down whatever you need to do there.